Part 3, Winter. Let's learn English through stories. Holiday cookies. I bake cookies during the winter holidays. My mom helps me mix the dough. We use cookie cutters to make shapes like stars and trees. The cookies smell delicious when they bake.
Winter nights. Winter nights are long and quiet. I like to sit by the window and look at the stars. The cold air outside makes me appreciate the warmth inside. Winter nights are peaceful.
Cozy blankets. Winter is the season for cozy blankets. My blanket is soft and warm. I like to wrap myself in it while reading a book. It makes me feel safe and comfortable.
Frosty windows. In the morning, my windows are frosty. They have pretty patterns like flowers. I use my finger to draw pictures on them. Frosty windows make winter mornings special.
Winter sports. Winter sports are exciting. I like skiing and snowboarding. My dad teaches me how to ski. We go down the snowy hills together. It is thrilling and makes me happy.
Building a snowman. I build a snowman every winter. I roll big snowballs for the body. I use a carrot for the nose and stones for the eyes. I also give it a scarf and a hat. My snowman looks so cute.
Christmas lights. I love looking at Christmas lights. Houses are decorated with colorful lights. Some blink and some stay bright. My favorite ones are shaped like stars. The lights make the streets look magical.
Warm clothes. In winter, I wear warm clothes. I put on my sweater, scarf, and gloves. My jacket is thick and keeps me warm. I also wear a hat to cover my ears. Winter clothes are cozy.
Winter vacation. Winter vacation is fun. I don't have to go to school. I stay home and relax. Sometimes, I visit my cousins. We play games and watch movies. Winter vacation is my favorite time of the year.
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is my favorite winter drink. My mom makes it with milk and chocolate powder. She adds marshmallows on top. It is warm and sweet. I drink it while sitting by the fire.
Snow day. I love snow days. The ground is white and everything looks beautiful. I wear my coat and boots. I build a snowman with my friends. We also have snowball fights. Snow days are the best.
Snowy trees. The trees look beautiful in winter. They are covered with snow. The branches sparkle like they are made of diamonds. Snowy trees make the world look magical.
Snow angels. I make snow angels in the snow. I lie down and move my arms and legs. When I stand up, I see a beautiful angel shape. It's fun and easy to do.
Warm fires. We light a fire in the fireplace during winter. The flames are orange and yellow. I sit close to the fire to stay warm. The crackling sound is so relaxing.
Winter birds. I see birds in winter, even when it's cold. They sit on tree branches or fly around. I leave seeds for them in the garden. Watching birds is a nice winter activity.
Warm soup. In winter, I eat warm soup. My favorite soup is chicken noodle. It is hot and tasty. Soup keeps me warm on cold days.
Sledding fun. Sledding is my favorite winter activity. I use my red sled to slide down snowy hills. The ride is fast and exciting. I laugh a lot when I sled with my friends.
Holiday music. I love listening to holiday music in winter. My favorite song is Jingle Bells. I sing along and dance with my family. Holiday music makes me feel cheerful.
Ice skating. I love ice skating. I go to the ice rink with my family. I wear skates and glide on the ice. Sometimes I fall, but it's okay. Ice skating is so much fun.
Winter memories. Winter brings special memories. I remember playing in the snow, drinking hot chocolate, and celebrating holidays. Winter is a magical season full of joy and warmth.
Thank you. Like and follow for more English videos.